Hey y'all, it's your girl back with a new video, and today I'm just showing you guys how I did these really beautiful I don't really know what you call them. They they're kind of like, so they're still butterfly locks. They're just small, maybe like goddess, because they have curls in them. But yes, I believe we used about 8 packs of Free Trust Water Wave and 3 packs of excuse me, y'all. 3 packs of Cuban twist and in the color 1B and 30. So we didn't use any water wave in that color because they didn't have that color. So yeah, you want to have a nice. Well, first you put the Cuban twist through the braid. I'm pretty sure y'all saw that. And you just take your water wave and you just start wrapping, make sure you have a nice grip in the beginning, not too tight, but tight enough so that bit do not slip or, become loose. Yeah, really simple. Once you finish wrapping with your first piece, you're just gonna start wrapping again. I'm like in this clip, you'll see. And then now for the end, I did use a little bit of nail glue. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I think that's the tips, all the tips I'm gonna give you. At the end, I used curling, I don't know what you call them, but they're like little curlers. Yeah, to curl the ends to make them look curly. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Likes, comment, and views, you feel me? I worked really hard on this video and all of my videos, so show me some love, please. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Yeah, my name is Rubia, and I do hair related and sometimes other type of content like funny videos and stuff like that, and personal videos and stuff. So yeah, just remember to subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video. Oh wait, before I do go, yeah, you guys, I wrapped at the end. I don't think I used glue on all of them, not gonna lie. Some of them didn't look like they needed glue. But yeah, um, I just took the glue and wrapped upwards with the hair and whatnot. And yeah, when you're putting the Cuban twist through, make sure one side is longer than the other, because you're gonna curl the ends and stuff. Okay, I think I'm gone for real this time, y'all. I'm so tired. Good night, my fam. Let me stop. That sounds so head, but good night, y'all.